A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC greater than ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. Now see here. A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B plus C. First problem I will explain. There are 8 balls are there. There are 7 gaps. If there are 2 variables, I require 1 cut. If there are 3 variables, I require 2 cuts. So it is nothing but 7C2. It is nothing but 7C2. NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. 7C2 is nothing but 7 into 6 by 2. They will find out the answer as 21. What is the idea I said? NCR. N is a prime number. Answer is a multiple of prime number. 21 is a multiple of 7. Keep an eye on the answer option. Keep an eye on the answer option. A plus B plus C equivalent to 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. 12 balls are there. There are 11 gaps are there. If there are 3 variables, 2 cuts. 11C2, which is nothing but 11 into 10 by 2, which is nothing but 55. 11 is a prime number. Answer is nothing but divisible by 11. I hope for 3 variables it is clear. I told you when I am discussing triangular series, I will tell you how the values we got it, why we used a triangular series. Now let us get into the next level problems. I hope it is clear. Nothing is there. Pure visualization, sir. Pure visualization. A plus B plus C equivalent to 7. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. Now if you see, if I keep highest value 6 and the lowest is 1, 1. 6 plus 1 is 8. Till 8, the gap method will work. After that, we have to decrease the cases. A plus B plus C equivalent to 7. 7 is nothing but 6 gap, 6C2, which is nothing but 6 into 5 by 2, which is nothing but 15. That's exactly why I wrote 15. You can go out and check it out. A plus B plus C equivalent to 9. A plus B plus C equivalent to 9. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. 9 is nothing but 9. 8 gaps are there. Select any 2. 8 into n minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 28. In that one, 3 cases we have to eliminate. 7, 1, 1. 3 values are there. They can be arranged in 3 factorial. 1 can be arranged twice, which is nothing but 3. 3 cases we need to eliminate. 28 minus 3, 25. I hope everybody it is clear why I eliminated 28 and wrote 25. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Kindly reply if it is clear why I eliminated 28 and wrote 25. Similarly, one more also I eliminated. A plus B plus C equivalent to 10. 1 less than or equivalent to ABC less than or equivalent to 6. 10 is nothing but 9C2. 9C2. But there are some cases which are going beyond 6. What are that cases? 7, 1, 2. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial, 6 cases. 8, 1, 1. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. 1 is written 2 times, so 2. 6 plus 3, 9. 9C2 minus 9. 36 minus 9 is 27. I hope it is clear why I wrote after 21. Perfect square 25 and perfect cube 27. I want everybody to reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, right? So it is nothing but suppose if ala is there. Ala can be written as 3 factorial 2es. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, it is 3 cases. It is AAL and LAA. LAA. So 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial, out of which 2 are identical. So 28 minus 3, 36 minus 9. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply if this idea is clear to you. Unnecessarily you will get into an problem solving, waste your right. A plus B plus C equivalent to 9. 9 is nothing but 8 gaps. So 8C2. 8 into 7 by 2, which is 28. There are 3 cases which are not possible. 711, 171, 117. These the cases are exceeding beyond 6. So these 3 are subtracted. 28 minus 3 is 25. Right? Now let me take out doubt. Asia says why it is 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Asia for you 811. Next it is 118. Next it is nothing but 181. Out of 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. Let me explain you. Suppose if a madam is there, in how many ways these 5 letters can be arranged? 5 factorial. M2 identical are there. 2 factorial. A it is 2 factorial. 5 factorial by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Little it is little. 5 letters are there. They can be arranged in 5 factorial. L 2 factorial. I it is 2 factorial. Suppose if it is goddess, Amma, 4 numbers, 4 factorial. A, it is written twice, 2 factorial. It is 2 factorial. I hope the idea, it is clear. Idea, it is clear. Asia for you. Right, Sai Kiran, A plus B plus C equivalent to 9. 1 less than or equivalent to. ABC less than or equivalent to 6. 9 is nothing but beta, 8C2. Out of which 711. 3 numbers, 3 factorial. 1 it is 2 factorial. It is 3. 28 minus 3, 25. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. 28 minus 3 is 25. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Now, please drop your pens. I want my students to be different from other students, sir. In the college, probably, when everybody is solving R.S. Agarwal book, I want you to create your own problems. See, once you know all the concepts, you will be extremely confident. Please drop your pens. A plus B plus C plus D is 8. 1 less than or equivalent to. A, B, C, D less than or equivalent to 6. In how many ways can the sum of 4 dice will be 8? What will be the answer? 8 is nothing but 7. 7C3. 4 variables, 3 cuts. So 7C3. Answer is divisible by 7. Check which answer option is divisible by 7, because 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. I hope the idea it is clear. Now we will solve one more question. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. It is nothing but 9. 1 less than or equivalent to. A1, A2, A3, A4 less than or equivalent to 6. 6 plus 3, 9. If it is greater than 9, I will subtract the cases. Answer is nothing but 8C3. 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 8 is a composite number. Answer will be divisible by 2. Before 8, what is the prime number that is there? 7. Answer will be divisible by 2 and 7. 2 and 7. I hope this idea it is clear. Now let us solve some more problems. A plus B is equivalent to 20. A and B are even natural numbers. A and B are even natural numbers. If A and B are even natural numbers, A is nothing but 2K1. B is nothing but 2K2. So these is nothing but 2 into K1 plus K2, it is nothing but 20. K1 plus K2, it is nothing but 10. If 10 balls are there, there are 9 gaps. So answer is nothing but 9C1. Before that, A and B are natural numbers. Now A and B are even numbers. Now A and B are even numbers. Next question. A plus B. A plus B. A plus B is nothing but 21. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. He is saying that A and B are odd. That means here it is odd. Here it is odd. What is odd plus odd? Even number. Right hand side should be an even number. But 21 is odd. Answer is no value for A comma B. Answer is no value for A comma B. Next one. Next one. I hope it is clear. A plus B equivalent to. A plus B equivalent to 61. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. How many values A are? What is the absolute difference between? What is the absolute difference between B minus A? What is the absolute difference between B minus A? D is nothing but an odd number. D is nothing but an odd number. If I take this as an odd prime and this as an odd prime, odd plus odd, it is an even number. But I want odd. That means one should be even and another should be odd. That means one value will be 2. Another value will be 15.9. Right? 15.9 minus 2, which is nothing but 7. 15.9 minus 2, it is nothing but 7. The best thing about our class is the variety, the different flavors of the questions. We will not go with one variety, multiple problems. Each and every question, different variety of problems. Of course, that is the benefit if you start listening to a person who has authored 9 mathematical books. Even and odd. Even plus odd is odd. So, one will be, what is the lowest even prime number, or what is the only even prime number, which is 2. B is nothing but 15.9. Absolute difference means only value we require. 59 minus 2 is 57. 3 varieties. Some more varieties. If you see the class, there will be a lot of varieties in your notebook. Next one. A plus B equivalent to. A plus B equivalent to 54. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. If it is an odd number, either you can write it as 2k1 minus 1 or 2k1 plus 1. I will not this way because k is starting from 0. I know the shortcut when the variables start with 1. B is nothing but 2k2 minus 1. 2k2 minus 1, because I know how to solve the problems when the variables are starting from 1. So, these are nothing but 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1. It is nothing but 54. These are nothing but 2 into k1 plus k2, which is nothing but 56. k1 plus k2, it is nothing but 28. If variables are starting with 1, which is nothing but 27c1. Easily you will get the answer. Sir, can I do 2k1 plus 1? I will tell a method when the variables are starting from 0 that you can use and get the answer. Simply with practice, you will get the answer very, very fast. 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1. 2 into k1 plus k2 is 56. k1 plus k2 is 28. Answer is 27c1. Next one. Next one. Another question. 2x plus 3y plus 6z equivalent to 360. 2x plus 3y plus 6z is 360. xyz is greater than or equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to 1. It's a very easy question, sir. Even number, even number, even number. Y will be an even number. Multiple of 3, multiple of 3, multiple of 3. X will be a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So, these is nothing but 6a plus 6b plus 6z equivalent to 360. A plus b plus z equivalent to 60. All are starting from 1. A, B, Z greater than or equivalent to 1. 60 means answer is nothing but 59 gaps. So 59 C2. Not a single calculation we did it. We are using the concept of what if the variables are starting from 1. What if the variables are starting from 1. Next one. Right? I hope it is clear, right? I hope the idea it is clear. 2x plus 3y plus 6z. Another question. Idea clear, right? Another one. Another variety. A plus B is equivalent to 8. A and B are greater than or equivalent to 0. Till now we did when it is greater than or equivalent to 1. Now it is greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than or equivalent to 0 is nothing but whole number solutions. Whole number solutions, or it is nothing but non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Listen carefully to this. A plus B equivalent to 8. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 0. Method number 1. Then I will tell you directly how to write the answer. A plus B is equivalent to 8. A plus B is equivalent to 8. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. We know the shortcut when the variables are starting with 1. So, let us take a variable x. X equivalent to a plus 1. If it is 0, x will be greater than or equivalent to 1. Make the domains from 0 to 1. Y is nothing but b plus 1. Y is greater than or equivalent to 1. I don't want to start with the variables which start with 0. So, I am putting x equivalent to a plus 1 and y equivalent to b plus 1. A is nothing but x minus 1. B is nothing but y minus 1. So, these is nothing but x minus 1 plus y minus 1 equivalent to 8. X plus y is 10. XY are starting from 1. So, what will be the answer? Answer is nothing but 9C1. Answer is nothing but 9C1. You don't need to do entire this method 1. I will tell a shortcut. Directly you will say that it is 9C1. This is for your understanding how I am converting the domain of variables starting from 0 to 1. Starting from 0 to 1, how am I doing it? I hope this idea it is clear. X is a plus 1, y is b plus 1. A is x minus 1, b is y minus 1. X minus 1 and b minus 1. X plus y is 10, answer is 9C1. This method, don't use it. Anything which is time consuming, I will not endorse that method for you. I want my students to solve the problems very fast. It's a competitive examination. Right, whatever I am teaching you will also be helpful for any other aptitude exams. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. I want the variables to start from 1. That means I need to add 1. I need to add 1. Total I need to add 2. To 8 if I add 2, it is nothing but 10. 10 means 9 gaps are there. Answer is nothing but 9C1. Answer is nothing but 9C1. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. A plus B is nothing but 12. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. I want to start with 1. So, add 1. Plus 2. 12 plus 2, it is nothing but 14. 14 balls are there. There are 13 gaps. What will be the answer? 13C1. I hope the idea it is clear. Once you understand the idea, once you understand these are nothing but a plus b equivalent to 54. A and B are odd natural numbers. I told you that I will get back to you when it is starting with zeros. Sir, can I take 2k1 plus 1? You can also take 2k1 plus 1. K1 is starting from 0. B is 2k2 plus 1. K2 is greater than or equivalent to 0. So, these is nothing but 2 into K1 plus K2 is 52. Plus 1 plus 2 goes 52. K1 plus K2 is nothing but 26. 26 is nothing but 26 if it is starting from 0. Add 1. 26 plus 2, 28. Answer is nothing but 27C1. Answer is nothing but 27C1. I hope this method of when the variables are starting with any values, make it into 1. If there is a need to add, please add it. If there is a need to subtract, please subtract it. Variables should start from 1. Make every variable start with 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 9C1. 12 plus 2, 14. Here it is 26. 2 plus 1 plus 1. I hope this idea is clear. So add 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 I added. 24. 24 means 23C3. I hope it is clear. You can take 2k minus 1 or 2k plus 1, you will get the same answer. That is what I told Prashant by taking two examples. One with 2k plus 1, another is 2k minus 1. Best thing is to take 2k1 minus 1. Directly you will get the method when it is starting with 1. Ideally. Otherwise 2k1 plus 1, we have to add 0. I hope the idea it is clear. This question can also be twisted like this. Find the number of integral solutions for a plus b equivalent to 8, a greater than or equivalent to minus 2, b greater than or equivalent to 4, a greater than or equivalent to minus 2, b greater than or equivalent to 4, minus 2, that means I need to add 3 to make it 1. Here I need to subtract 3 to make it 1. These both are cancelled. 0 needs to be added. 8 plus 0, 8. So answer is nothing but 7C1. Answer is nothing but 7C1. I hope the idea it is clear. There is nothing, sir, when it is starting with 1. Once you know the concept, remaining all becomes very easy for you. C is greater than or equivalent to 3. A plus B plus C equivalent to 10. A is greater than or equivalent to minus 1. B is greater than or equivalent to minus 2. C is greater than or equivalent to 3. Adding 2. Adding 3. Which value should be added to get plus 1? 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2. It is minus 2. So how much I added? 3 I added. 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13. 13 balls are there. 12 gaps. So answer is nothing but 12C2. Answer is nothing but 12C2. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody till here. We started with greater than or equivalent to 1. Then we went to greater than or equivalent to 0. Then we went to greater than or equivalent to any integer. Any integer. All these methods, I hope it is clear to you. Before I get into the next model, is this clear to you? Next one, another model. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. It is 20. A3 plus A4 plus A5. It is 8. A1 to A5. All are greater than or equivalent to 1. Find the number of natural number solutions. Natural number rights, all are starting with 1. These are two equations. First equation contains second equation variables. Substitute that value. A1 plus A2 is nothing but 12. Are you all with me? So if it is 12, this one variable, this another variable. Right? 12 is nothing but answer 11C1. This is nothing but 7C1. Right? Two variables are independent of each other. Independent means fundamental principle of multiplication. It is nothing but 7C2. Sorry, sir. It is nothing but 7C2 into 11C1. While doing, don't make these silly mistakes. I wrote 7C1, which is a blunder. Three variables are there. There are two cuts. So it is 7C2. 7C2 into 11C1. Don't write 7C1. It is a mistake. Three variables. Be very careful while doing counting. None of the problems we counted, if you observe. We just found out the outcome. 7C2. 7 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Next question. Next one. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. It is 40. Please drop your pen, say this answer. A3 plus A4, it is 12. Make the variables independent of each other. So A1 plus A2 is nothing but 28. 28 is nothing but 27C1. These is nothing but 11C1. So answer is nothing but 11C1 into 27C1. 11 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. I hope it is clear. Number of natural number solutions, number of whole number solutions. Now, See here. Idea is clear, right? Next one. Note. Please write down these notes, sir. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square b power 0 to a power 1 b power 1 plus b square a power 0. Now, if I take a generic term 2CR a power x b power y. This is the generic term. This is the generic term. Now listen carefully. Are the powers taking 0? Yes. What is the sum of the powers? It is nothing but 2. So x plus y, it should be nothing but 2. It can take 0. I hope it is clear. X is greater than or equivalent to 0. Y is greater than or equivalent to 0. 0 means add 1, add 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is nothing but 3C1. 3C1. It is 3. How many terms are there for these? A plus b whole square? 3 terms are there. A plus, very interesting concept, sir. A plus b whole square is a square b power 0 to a power 1 b power 1 b square a power 0. So the generic term is 2CR a power x b power y. Powers can take 0. Powers can take 0. So x can take 0, y can take 0. Powers sum is nothing but 2. X plus y. If you understand this, then number of terms is very, very easy. 0 means add 1, add 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is nothing but 3. 3C1, it is nothing but 3. I hope it is clear. Now, please write down another concept. 4 problems will solve of this variety. Then you will understand. Then you will understand how to solve this question. Now see here. Find the number of distinct terms. Find the number of distinct terms in the expansion. 1 or 2 problems, you will understand it very fast. There is no need to count it. Find the number of distinct terms in the expansion. See here, a plus b power 8. We all know that it is 9, but we will use this method. 8CR, 8 power x, b power y. Sum should be equivalent to the power. X plus y equivalent to 8. Each value can take 0, 0, 0, plus 1, plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 balls are there, 9 gaps are there. 2 variables, 1 cut. Answer is nothing but 9C1. Answer is nothing but 9C1. Similarly, A plus B plus C power 12. See here, right? Thematic based learning. 12CR, A power X, B power Y, C power Z. X plus Y plus Z. It should be equivalent to the power, equivalent to 12. X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 0. 0, 0, 0. 3 should be added. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 balls are there. 14 gaps. 3 variables, 2 cuts. Answer is 14C2. I hope the idea it is clear. Simple observation of the powers has given you the number of terms in the expansion directly. In fact, you can do it directly. 2 variables are there. 8 plus 2, it is 10. 10 balls means 9. Gaps 9C1. 12. How many variables are there? 3. What is 12 plus 3? 15. 15 means 14 gaps are there. 14C2. I hope the idea it is clear. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means it is 9C1. 12 plus 3, 15, which is 14C2. Suppose if the question is, please stop using pen, sir. I want my kids to be different from others. A plus B plus C plus D power 20. How many terms are there in this expansion? 20 plus 4, 24. 24 is nothing but 23C3. 24 balls are there, 23 gaps are there. So 23C3. A1 plus A2 and so on up to A10. Power 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 69 gaps are there. So it is nothing but 9. Are you all with me? Right? Please tell me this answer. A plus B plus C, power 40. 40 plus 3, 43. What is the answer? 42C2. 42C2. 23 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 23. 69. The prime factors are 3 and 23. 42. It is 3 and 7 and 2. So it is divisible by prime factors 3 and 7. I hope it is clear.